Start. The defendant appellant contested the suit on the ground that the aforesaid documents have been manipulated on blank papers, but without disputing the execution of any of them, or that the sale consideration as per the agreement was not paid. Stop. The trial court, after framing three issues, the first being with regard to manipulation and fraudulently obtaining the alleged documents, stop. In this connection, we have heard a wide range of views which reflect the perceptions of individual delegations of the non-aligned movement on the important developments in specific areas of the world and their effect on a range of international issues. Stop. This atmosphere has been disturbed by recent developments, particularly with the prospect of our region converted into a theater of great power confrontation and conflict as a result of the induction of arms into the area. Stop. At this stage, the special court passed the order dated 16/10/2021 summoning the appellant for trial along with Dharmendra for offences punishable under sections 323, 504 of the 1989 Act. Stop. Falsity of the versions of PW1 and PW2 would be manifest if one were to read their depositions. Stop. The incident giving rise to the trial occurred on 30/9/2017. Stop. What was raised to the ground that day was civility in politics and ethics in its entirety. Stop. Some believed in some promises by some leaders and administrative heads before the Supreme Court of the country. Stop. Those who believed and those who promised both put together, belied the hopes and expectations of the country, leading to series of violent incidents thereafter. Stop. The land by the petitioners was well before the announcement of the award number 8 dated 4/8/2006. Stop. So, the petitioners are not entitled to file the present petition against the acquisition proceeding after disbursement of compensation, and the present petition is liable to be dismissed with the cost on this ground. Stop. This is a violation of the Constitution. Stop. Secondly, the bill threatens the life and well-being of the people residing in close proximity to the minors by doing away with the requirement to obtain fresh permits despite a change in prevailing conditions. Stop. This endangers the right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution. Stop. Sir, I have to report the following message received from the Secretary General of Rajya Sabha. Stop. In accordance with the provisions of Rule 127 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Rajya Sabha. Stop. I am directed to inform the Lok Sabha that the Rajya Sabha at its sitting held on the 10th March, 2021 agreed without any amendment to Arbitration and Conciliation Bill, 2021, which was passed by the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 12th February, 2021. Stop. Before the year 2000, the insurance sector was the monopoly of state-owned companies, namely, New India Assurance, United India, Oriental Insurance and National Insurance, and the General Insurance. Stop. Corporation was an objective to encourage competition and enhance insurance penetration, the then government of the day threw open the insurance sector to private players and also permitted foreign investment in insurance sector in the year 2000. Stop.